So in this Scotiabank tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to make a bill payment on the Scotiabank application. So once Scotiabank is opened up, I want you to go to the home screen right here. In the bottom left beside that where it says Move Money, I want you to go ahead and select that. Once you're on the Move Money page right here, you can go to where it says Payments and Transfers, and the first option says Pay Bills. Pay bills easily from anywhere. Simply go ahead and select that. Once you're on this page right here, you can actually go ahead and make a payment or manage your bills. So you can select the account. So if you wanted to go from your checking account, you can select that. Where it says pay to, you can select the payee. So that's who you're going to be paying the bill to. Type in the amounts, type in the frequency, type in the date you want this to happen. And then at the bottom where it says slide to pay, you can simply just slide the bar right there to actually release and submit the bill payment. So very simple, very straightforward, but that is how to make a bill payment on the Scotiabank application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.